In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename categories in Outlook. This is a handy trick if you manage a lot of emails and want to keep them organized. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to Microsoft Outlook. If you're not already there, go ahead and open up your preferred web browser and type in the Outlook URL or simply launch the Outlook app from your device. Sign in by clicking the option located at the top right of the screen. Log in using your email and password. If you're not already signed in, you'll encounter the sign in prompt, and once there, simply enter your credentials and proceed to your Outlook dashboard. Once you're all signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a gear icon. This represents your settings. Give that a click and a new menu should appear. From there, look for the option labelled Account. This might be tucked away under the main menu, but once you find Account, go ahead and click on it. Now, within the account settings, there's an option you'll need to find called Categories. Click on Categories. This takes you to a list of categories that you might have already, and this is where you'll make your changes. Now, next to each category, you'll notice a pencil icon. This is the Edit button. Click this pencil icon next to the category you wish to rename. Let's say, for argument's sake, you want to rename a category to something like Black Category. Simply enter your new name in the field provided. Once you're happy with your new category name, you'll want to adjust the color or any additional settings to suit your organization style better. You can do this by clicking on the colored circle that corresponds to the category. After you've made all your changes, don't forget to save them. There's a save option generally at the bottom or possibly as a hovering option near your list. Click on save to ensure that all the hard work you've put in renaming and customizing your categories doesn't go to waste. And there you have it, you've successfully renamed a category in Outlook. It's as simple as that. Using these steps, you can keep your inbox organized and ensure you find what you need when you need it. Thanks so much for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful. Have a great day.